Alright, since I am not here today, I decided to go ahead and post a video for you guys to watch before you take off on this activity. So all you're doing is evaluating algebraic expressions. Okay, so you're just going to go down the list, okay, and then it tells you evaluate each expression using substitution. So like you just replace the variable with what number they give you it equals, and then circle the answer. So then find the problem number on the fill in the blank page and write the word assigned to this. So once you find your answer, it gives you a word, and you go to this page and you fill in. So like number one, whenever you get the answer, you're going to put that word right here on number one and just go down the list. So I wanted to do one with you, so we're going to go ahead and do number 3 together. So number 3 together. So number 3 was 2m squared plus 3j. So they say that m is 5, so we replace m with 5. And remember, the exponent stays with the variables even when you replace it, so now it's 5 squared plus 3 times, now j is 3. So all you do, so your first step is just to replace the variables with the numbers they give you, and now we solve it out by using order of operations. Now remember, order of operations starts with parentheses. So we look at this, we don't have any parentheses other than the ones that are in it. There's nothing else going on there. Then we move on to exponents. So exponents we have, so that would be 5 squared. So that's going to be 2 times 5 squared would be 25 plus 3 times 3. So then we move down order of operations even further, and we go to multiplication or division. Well, we have both, or we have multiplication. So we're going to go ahead and do both of these. So 2 times 25 would be 50, plus 3 times 3 is 9. So then you add it up, you get 59. So now that I have my answer, and I know that number 3 is 59, I look on the answers, and this is the one I circle, because 59. So that word is Martha. So on the fill in the blank page, okay, I go to number 3 and I put the word Martha. So once you figure out all the other ones, you can fill in the blanks on this one. So you just go down to 1, 2, and the rest of them. Once you've got your answer and you got the word, you fill in the blank. Okay, so you have the entire hour to work on this. If you get this one done, there is another one. All you're doing is evaluating algebraic expressions. Okay, so you just go in, solve the expression, find your answer, circle it, and that's the word that you're going to put in the blank. Now, if you finish this one, go ahead and start this paper, stop the video, and then you're going to come back if you finish, and you're going to work on the other one. The other one's kind of the same thing, but this one is about coloring. Okay, so you're going to evaluate the expression on this page, just like we did before, okay, on the other page, and then you're going to find the answer, and this time it's a color. So the color represents, on this page, what number you're going to, it gives you, so basically you solve your problem. So number 1, and let's say you got yellow. So number 1 was yellow. Okay, so then we go to all the ones here and fill it in as yellow. Okay, so that's only if you get finished with the first one. If you don't get finished with that one, don't worry about this. They will both be available. Take your time and write these out. You will need another piece of paper.